everyone, it's Sylvain again. So hopefully you liked my first video. So on today's video we're going to cover part 2 of the Particl project. So we're going to go right into the marketplace, and also some of the social medias you should be looking for to get a bit more information about the project itself. So let's go right into the marketplace.
Alright, so to get the actual marketplace, just a reminder, you need to download the marketplace on Particl.io. So I'm just right there. So you would go simply on this website here, and then see where a download button is. You would click on that, and obviously after that, change your depending on what system you're using, then you can pick whichever. So the open marketplace here, so that's what you're looking for. Obviously there's other wallets, like I said, that you can also upload, but really to get you access to the marketplace itself, you really need the Particl desktop open marketplace. So select the one. So Mac OS, there's Linux, also Windows as well in there. So that's what you need to do. Once that's done, so you've installed everything, so you're gonna have your default wallet. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm not gonna go into the wallet, but you would simply do this one first. So the default wallet, that'd be your wallet. Make sure you copy your paraphrase as well, so your seed words. So make sure you copy that, keep it in a safe location, and then after that you'll be like, oh, I don't see the actual listings, I don't see anything. So you need to actually create another marketplace. So I'll include the details below as well, the link to what to follow in order to get that done. But simply you just need to create a second wallet for this version. The next one coming up, everything should be into one kind of wallet, so that should make things easier for people, especially new to crypto. All right, so that's what you see. So pretty nice layout. So obviously at the top here, Particl Marketplace is still in development. Use it at your own risk, and then you can get details. So obviously it's still in the beta version. So if you're having difficulties using that, just make sure you seek out help from the community. I'll also refer to the website or particl.wiki as well to get information on a few things in there. So it's it's meant to be as easy as possible, but for the beta version, you might need to do some research to find some information in there. So that's what you would see in there. So we're in the overview. So you'd see what I have right now in the wallet. So I just have a pending order at the moment. So really not much in there at the moment. So that's overview. So you're going to see the recent transactions. You're going to see where you can you're able to stake on this right from this wallet. You can join a staking pool and stuff like that. I can include the details as well down below if you're interested about that. So they're really nice things. So you get into listings. So on this tab over here on the left, so you're going to see listings. So that's where you need to go in order to see what's on the marketplace. All right. So if you start now, so some of the silver rounds, that's what I'm actually trying to purchase at the moment. In there, just the decline of the money and stuff like that. So it's really neat stuff that you see on the market in there. So you see different things here. Lately, the community, let's keep scrolling down. There's probably some, I think we had some masks as well. They're pretty popular. Obviously, the medical masks for the COVID, obviously. So they were pretty popular. That stuff is on the market as well. All sorts of different things. There you go. You see masks. So you see different vendors coming from different areas in the world, putting their stuff in there. That's what it's all about. Sharing that stuff to you right now. So at least you're interested in downloading the program and then going on to there, and then entice other people to come and join as well. And then so you can scroll. I'm not sure how much stuff there is on the market at the moment, but you can certainly download that. It's pretty easy, or ask in the comments if you have any questions. Then so that's my purchase here. All right, so what I've try to do here. Oh, there we go. So right now, so that's the item I purchased. So 3 coins, so silver rounds. It's in the packaging mode. So once you start using that the marketplace, so you're gonna go from making like a bid, or you agree to pay the actual amount that they're selling it for. So that's gonna appear in bids on this side, and then awaiting payment. So then you're gonna simply approve and say yes, I want to purchase it once the seller is approved, and then the escrow pending. So you need to essentially, so if an item is let's say 100 parts, then you need to put another 100 parts in there just to prove your that's the escrow. So just to prove you're gonna honor the transaction. So when you receive the product, you're gonna say yes, it's received. That way every party gets the parts put in escrow back. So if at any point one of the party doesn't respect that, then there'll be consequences using that escrow. So it's just there as like so there's no need for a third party to be present and to make sure that the transaction happens. All right, so that's a neat aspect. And then some of that stuff might change a little bit on the percentage that's required on the next version. So stay tuned for that one. And then the rest of it's in the wallet. So you got your send, receive. So if you want to get your addresses and so on, exchange. So let's say if you go back at the top here. So the neat thing I was talking about with Particl, with the 3 types of privacy. So you see the public at the top here, so showing 0, and then the blind. All right, so that's the second transaction type, and then anon, private. So the exchange would just simply allow you to change from one to another. All right, so and the history of all this stuff, address book, if you've got contacts in there, different proposals as well in this here. So if the community is submitting something, a proposal for a change, it's going to appear in there. So one part will equal to 1 vote. So you have a say in that in the ecosystem as well. So that's another neat thing about the marketplace. So yeah, so that was pretty much it for just a quick overview of Particl. On the top here as well, you see like your connection, and then also your wallet. So you got to unlock it before doing transactions, so forth. All right, so simple things. The interface looks nice in my opinion. In there, I think it's going to look even better on the next version. So that completes this for the actual marketplace. All right, so about the social media. All right, so you see 3 tabs here. So just simply go back to particl.io, and then if you scroll about the middle of the page, then you're shown what the most commonly used social media platforms: so Riot, Discord, and Telegram. All right, so a lot of people knowledgeable in that aspect. Developers join in. Some people have done videos on YouTube before. You can exchange information with them. It's pretty active, especially Telegram and Discord are pretty active. So if you're new, if you're a seller, you'd like to list your stuff on there, make sure you contact the community over the social medias there, and then they'll be happy to answer your questions and so on. All right, so I actually forgot about the marketplace itself. So listings here. So if you're a seller, you'd like to sell your articles, your items on Particl Marketplace, then you would go into the sell portion, go into listings, and then that's where you could import your listing, add new listings, and so on. So there's a small fee for it, and you can list, I believe, from like a day up to a month and so on. So that's something that's available to you sellers, not, let's say, happy about Amazon and stuff like that. Then you're more than welcome to join the community as well. Hey, it's me again. So if you like this video, so hopefully you know a bit more about what the Particl project is all about. So mainly privacy focused, decentralized ecosystem, offering a nice marketplace. So hopefully the information I provided was accurate. So if it's not the case in some aspects, just let me know in the comments as well. If you've used it in the past, make sure you share your experience in the comments as well. So more people commenting, then that way you can get a bit more knowledge about the ecosystem, and then try to get more people to actually use it in the near future. Like I said, so there's a new version coming up at some point soon. I'll let you know when it comes out as well, just to keep you updated. So in the meantime, hopefully you go on the website, download the marketplace, and use it for yourself, see how that works. So hopefully this was good value to you. Again, if you liked it, make sure you like, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.